sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a vlog style weekly workout routine. Just taking you guys with me and showing you guys how I stay fit and work out in college. It's literally been 3 months since I've last sat down to film a video, so I'm super excited to just finally sit down and like have my lights and my setup and everything. Today I'm sitting on my bed, so I'm going to be doing a dorm tour possibly within the next month, I think. So let me know if you guys would want one of those. Just comment down below. But anyways, today's video is sponsored by Fabletics. They send me a lot of pieces to wear, so you guys are going to be seeing me wear all their clothing in all the vlog clips. So Fabletics is a global active lifestyle brand designed with every woman in mind, and they have so many sizes from extra small to 3X. They offer premium activewear that combines fitness and fashion, and you can also go to fabletics.com/joycebean to get 2 pairs of leggings for only $24. So I'm going to link that below in the description for you guys. Also, they offer a really cool membership program, and how it works is you go on their website and you take a short quiz so they know what your style is, and then once a month they'll send you recommendations for the styles they think you'll like, and then you can either look through the styles at the beginning of the month, or if you decide to skip it, you won't be charged, and then you can just roll over onto the next month. But before we get started into my workout routine and just like my vlog of me working out for an entire week straight, I'm gonna quickly haul everything that Fabletics sent to me. Okay, so starting off with sports bras, this is the first piece that I chose. Of course, it's like a neon yellow color. You guys know this is like literally my favorite color of all time. It's just a sports bra with some cute strappy details on the back. It's really soft and stretchy, and it has padding, which is super nice. So this is the first piece. I'm just gonna quickly go through all of them because you guys are gonna see me wear them throughout the week when I do the vlog clips anyways. So this one is like a black crop top, and this one's not padded, and it's more for like casual workouts. But this one looks super dope because it looks like just like a tank top. Like you could literally wear this out if you wanted to. Okay, then I got a ton of leggings because I literally brought only 2 pairs with me to college, which was really stupid. I thought I was gonna dress up a lot more and wear jeans and like real pants, but that is not happening right now. So I got a few pairs of leggings from Fabletics. So these ones are my favorite. I love this color. It's like the mauvey like taupe color, but their leggings are super soft, and I love how flattering they are on, which you guys will see in the try on clips. So this is the first pair that I got, and it has these like ruched details on the thigh like going down, so it looks like the yogi leggings that you see a lot, but I think these look super flattering on, and I love the detail. It's like not just a basic plain black legging, so I really like these, and I think they're just cute to like wear around. Like you don't even have to go work out if you're wearing these. Like it's just, they're just like cute pants. And then because I liked the design so much, I got the same thing in another color, so I picked it up in black, and this is what it looks like. It's basically the exact same thing, but I just really like how there's a little bit of detail on it because all my other leggings are mostly just plain. And then I picked up a few pairs of just high-waisted leggings. So these ones are really good for harder, like more intense workouts. I like wearing these when I'm doing like core power and stuff because they're almost like a compression tight, and they just like hold everything together and like hold it in. So I got this one, which is like a really pretty deep dark greenish color. It's like a greenish blue. These are what they look like, and they're super comfortable. Also, I wanted to mention I'm a size extra small, and then the length I got was short, and I'm also 5'3" for reference, and the short length fits me like really perfectly. They don't like bunch at the ends. Okay, so the next pair of leggings that I got were these ones. Grace describes them as a Christmas tree green, but I can't like tell what color they are. I don't have any colored leggings, and I really wanted to like add more to my closet, so I picked these up, and I think they look so sick. I love the waistband of Fabletics leggings. They just like really, they just make your stomach look really good for some reason. But this is what these look like. So the last thing that I picked up were just a pair of black plain leggings because these are still my go-to, and I just wear these a lot like for class and stuff. Okay, then I have 2 workout tops. So I got this one in black, and this is like a workout hoodie. This one's actually, it says it's a cropped hoodie, but I don't think it's that short. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a really nice thin moisture wicking hoodie to like wear on top of your outfit like before or after workout. And then I got a white one. This one's a bit more thicker. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's white, and it's super soft, and like I feel like I would just wear this like on a day-to-day basis too, not even for workouts. So that was everything that I picked up from Fabletics. I just want to thank them one more time for sponsoring today's video. But anyways, now getting on with the rest of the video, which is the workout routine slash the vlogging. I basically tried to work out every day for a week straight, which is something I normally don't do. Usually on a regular week, I'll go to the gym maybe twice a week if it's a good week. But yeah, last week I was just like in my dorm studying and in the library the whole time because I had midterms and just like a lot of papers and stuff due. So I didn't get a chance to go to the gym at all, which is why this week I like tried to challenge myself to go work out more. But yeah, I just want to say I do not work out every single day because that's insane. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with the video. If you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! Hello! Happy Monday. We are running to our workout class right now because we are late and it starts in 5 minutes.
Yay! Always late.
Holy f***, it's so cold.
Dude, I'm wearing all Fabletics.
Wow!
Yeah.
Wait, that looks so good!
Honestly, I almost threw up. Like,
No, seriously, I was so close to throwing up. Yeah, that
such
literally
a good
killed.
workout.
That was really
Pre-workout
fun.
was not planned correctly.
Because we did one class before, but it wasn't that hard, so we thought we could do another one.
60 minutes.
Yeah.
I get why they don't let us do it.
Bitch, I'm fucking dead. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. I look like trash. I'm on my way to my workout at Core Power. Grace and Steph are gonna meet me there because they went to their dorm, but we're gonna do yoga sculpt today. Yoga sculpt. It was a really good workout. I usually like sleep in on Tuesdays a lot because I don't have class until 1:30. We woke up this morning at 8:30, which was really good. Get a good start on our day.
The wind makes the sweat make my butt feel cold.
It's so sweaty. It's so hot inside because they turned it to like 102 degrees.
It was 102. It was like at least 100.
But yeah, that was a really good workout. And then we're just gonna go grab breakfast and shower and like start our day.
I'm gonna shower and grab breakfast.
I'm gonna shower in the dining hall while eating my breakfast.
I'm just gonna hop in the Ivy
I'm gonna
washing
make
machine.
breakfast.
Shower.
I'm gonna go shower
using the
in the
stove.
dining hall, like dishwashing station.
It's pretty cute.
Happy, what day is it? It's Wednesday. So Salma and I are on the way to the gym. Today we're just gonna do like an actual gym workout, not like a class or anything. We're gonna do abs. I'm training her. I'm her personal trainer today.
Yeah, I really need that.
No, because okay, from core power yesterday, my butt is so sore and I like feel it in my arms too, so I don't think I could do anything besides abs.
We
so
can
that's
do
what
cardio.
Yeah, we can do cardio, but like
Okay.
my butt hurts so bad. Oh. We're in sync.
So I've never had a thing. I can't with that mess.
Hello! It's Thursday and today's the last day of my
the best
workout
day.
week because we're going to Soul Cycle.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust, tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy for someone to catch my eye.
My hand is so shaky. Oh my god, this light is so
glowing.
So we just finished our last workout of the week. I'm gonna end this video today on Thursday because I think my body's like legitimately dead. I don't think I could do a workout tomorrow. I'm still sore from core power. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!